Good Saturday afternoon to all you Kiwis out there, and all you friends of Apple Stump Bushcraft Stuff and Things, subscribers, droppers by, and anybody else who might happen to be watching Apple Stump Bushcraft Stuff and Things. Today bringing you an unboxing of the New Zealand MRE Go Native 24-hour food pack, including breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So we'll be getting into that directly and see what's in there. Stand by for fun and adventure. Alright, let's get into this bad boy and see what's inside. Of course, on the back, it tells us, if I can read this upside down, we'll give it a shot. Natural muesli, sugar, creamer, coffee, and a Go Native fruit bar. That's the breakfast entree. For lunch we have biscuit cream crackers, green sea tuna, and a Jack Link's beef jerky strip. And for dinner we have vegetable curry, rice, tea, creamer, sugar, pepper, and salt. So, delicious and nutritious, lightweight and compact. Not 690 grams. Sudoku and quiz game inside. That's interesting. Alright, so it looks like it has an easy open peelable seal of sorts. Not sure which way we... there we go. Alright, oh man, look at that. How easy that was. Ta-da! Okay, so where is it open? I should have opened it. Aha! Has a Ziploc closure. Well, let's get the whole shooting match out of there if we can. I'm trying not to ruin the bag because it's a nice gusseted bag. Well, let's just see, shall we? When in doubt, dump it out. Alright, let's check this stuff out, see what there is. Let's get the breakfast items out onto the tray. There's natural muesli with milk powder, 100 grams. There's bean bags, bag of flavor, coffee. And to go with that we have creamer and sugar. And then a Go Native raspberry and apple fruit bar. So there we have a nice hearty breakfast, not too heavy. Enough energy to get you moving out on the trail. And let's take a look at the lunch menu. We have green seas tuna, oven-dried tomato, and herb dressing. That ought to be good. We have biscuits, cream cracker, and we have a Jack Link's beef snack. These are pretty good. That'll be a very nice lunch repast. And bringing up the rear of the menu, we have our dinner entrees. Ready to eat. Vegetable curry and instant rice. Looks like we have to put in 1 cup of boiling water, stir well, seal the pack, and let it stand for 8 minutes. So these two obviously go together, right? I would think so. And we have tea. And what goes better with tea than creamer, sugar, and to spice up the entrees we have salt and pepper. That one slid away underneath there. Okay, salt and pepper right there. So there's the dinner menu. Looks pretty tasty. Can't wait to get into it and see what it's like. But that'll come later on another episode. So until then, take care, be well, stay safe, and enjoy your weekend. Apple Stump Bushcraft Stuff and Things. We'll see you next time.